I'm going to be showing you how to make a toilet paper beaver. You can actually make a lot of different animals with toilet paper rolls, leftover toilet paper rolls. And most of the supplies you should have around the house. I have a glue stick. You can use liquid glue if you have that. Something to color it with, whether that's crayons, colored pencils, markers, of course a toilet paper roll, and scissors. I do not have a printer at my house, so I had to draw out the beaver's face and arms and legs and tail. But if you have a printer, you can find different stencils online. If you just type in toilet paper beaver, basically you just want to make sure, of course, that he's got a face that has his eyes and his nose and his ears, and of course those big teeth that they use for the gnawing and cutting, that he has some hands, and of course the big webbed feet, and the famous tail that the beavers have to help build their dams. So I like to color my beaver faces, tails, all of that stuff before I cut it out. That way I don't have to be too cautious. So color it. I decided my beaver was going to be a little bit different, and he was going to be a purple beaver with a blue tail. But you can color him whatever color you want. You can go traditional and color him brown. You can go crazy and put paisley and, have fun with it. Once I finished coloring, I cut out the different parts of him. Now you'll notice that when I drew mine, his arms are connected, but I'm going to actually cut them in half so that I can stick them on, without losing them in the tube. And once I've got everything cut out, I'll start gluing them on. Of course, the head towards the top, then the arms on the sides. You can, position the arms so that they're hanging down, sticking out, waving, doing all different kinds of things. The feet, you'll want to fold that little flap so that you can stick it on the inside. Just glue it and stick it on the inside and then fold it up, and you should see that it stays pretty flat. Might stick up a little bit, but it'd be flat enough. And then do the same thing with the tail, just put it on the back as opposed to the front. And once you let them dry, you have a toilet paper beaver. Like I said, you can make all different kinds of animals with toilet paper rolls. One of my favorite ones is actually a toilet paper bat. Maybe we'll do that a little later on, a couple weeks from now or something. But there's tons you can make. You could make multiple beavers and have a whole family. Just something to do while you're stuck at home with your kids. And even if you don't have kids, it's still kind of fun to do. So I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, I just found it online a couple of years ago. So, take a look. You never know what you'll find.